Page 30, which is which? This piece uses an extended position. We've had extended positions before. You look at the chart up above, you see that. Because basically you're in an F position, because this is an F major. Well, it's not because it's an F major. It's because the notes at the beginning need you to be in F position. But you'll notice that the thumb now has to handle the E also. So the thumb's handling two notes. The rest of the fingers stay where they are. Again, it's in F major. I said that already, didn't I? I keep repeating myself because I'm old and I can't remember squat. It's in 3/4 time. It has a 1-beat pickup. At the beginning there you see 1 beat, 1 quarter note in that first measure. Well, you look at the last measure, it's got a half note in it, so that's 2. So again, it's all fine. Every measure's got to have 3 beats, so in effect it does. The math works out. Melody is in the right hand. You're going to bring out the melody because the dynamics given are to melody. It's an MF at the beginning, which is mezzo forte or medium loud. Now the music's getting a little trickier. We only have quarter notes and half notes and dotted half notes to deal with, but the point is the hands are playing notes at different times. They're holding them down. One hand will play a note and hold it down while the other hand does something else, and then vice versa. For instance, right at the beginning, the first full measure, the right hand's playing 3 quarter notes, but the left hand has a quarter note and a half note. So the left hand's going to hold that half note down while the right hand is playing those quarter notes, the other quarter notes. It's got to hold it down. In the next measure, the right hand gets a half note. The left hand has a quarter note and a half note, so the right hand's going to hold the half note down while the left hand plays that whole note, or the half note. Some note. I don't know what it is. It's some note. So it's 1, 2. See? Right there on beat 2, you're like that. Now the left hand's going to hold its notes down while the right hand plays that quarter note, and then they can go on. So the first few measures here, it's that way. Watch. Holding these notes down, it's important. To the last measure, the first line, the left hand gets a rest. So when the right hand plays that E, it's by itself. Then the left hand plays, holds it down while the right hand plays the C. And it goes on. Last measure, the second line, the right hand plays the F, the left hand gets a rest. So the F is by itself for 1 beat. Then the left hand plays and holds it down while the right hand plays the C. So this can take some practice to get these. Make sure you're holding these notes down the correct length. Play them with me one hand at a time for a while if you need to check to make sure you're holding them down the right length, because it is important. Now that's pretty much it. I don't have a lot to say about this piece, so let's just try it out and see what happens. I'm going to give us 2 counts. So go ahead and put your hands in F position with the fingers on B flat, because you got to flatten the key signature, so all B's are flatted unless they have a natural sign, and they don't. So you're automatically playing B flats instead of B naturals. So the finger used to play the B natural will play the B flat. That's fine. Here we go. Ready, go.